Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build community spaces with Habitat for Humanity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Building community spaces with Habitat for Humanity can be a rewarding experience. Start by researching your local Habitat for Humanity chapter. Visit their website and find contact information for your local office. Reach out to them to express your interest in volunteer opportunities. Attend an orientation session if available. Learn about the mission of Habitat for Humanity and the types of projects they undertake. Identify the needs of your community by interacting with local residents. Ask community members what spaces they feel are lacking or could use improvement. Consider spaces like parks, gardens, or community centers that could benefit everyone. Plan a meeting with the Habitat team to discuss potential projects. Share your ideas and gather input from volunteers and staff. Develop a project proposal outlining your vision, timeline, and required resources. Submit your proposal to your local Habitat chapter for approval. Once approved, organize a volunteer recruitment campaign. Use social media, local events, and community boards to attract volunteers. Schedule a kickoff meeting to outline the project and assign roles. Gather necessary tools and materials, either through donations or purchases. Collaborate with local businesses to source materials at a reduced cost. Set a project timeline with specific milestones to inspire progress. Begin with groundwork, ensuring the site is safe and suitable for development. Engage volunteers by providing clear instruction and support throughout the process. Create a positive atmosphere where teamwork and collaboration thrive. Document the progress with photos and updates to share with the community. Ensure that the finished space is welcoming and accessible to all. Host an opening ceremony to celebrate the new community space. Invite local residents to join the celebration and encourage ongoing use of the space. Establish a plan for maintenance to keep the space vibrant over time. Foster a sense of ownership among community members to ensure lasting impact. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.